Hello, my brothers and sisters from Untouchable Mama on a day. I greet everybody now. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. I greet everybody now. Do well. Thank you for being there. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for liking, even for dislike, for the comment and share. I thank you all, everybody. Now do well, my brothers and sisters. I want to talk about this. Now don't see the video of Mama Showore. Buhari, they no wan leave Showore. Why be say that our country? That our country, if person dey wey wan talk truth, because we know the truth, if person come and say this thing I wan talk am as e be, dem go want make dem close that person mouth, dem go want make dem silence am say make e no talk again. Why e be like that? Na make some people dem dey abroad for many years o, dem no wan go home again. Dem no wan go because that country e don tire everybody. E tire everybody. Because if you say you wan do something, you wan talk the truth, they will say no way for you to do it. They will say no way. They go close your mouth. They will make sure say they draw you down. They will make sure say they put you for prison. See Showore now. E don dey there for I think na August, since August na e dey there so. They no wan leave am. Nothing Showore do, they just hold am for there. The way they do something, nobody feel hold them. Sometimes I'll say, God, may white people come this country, may them come. Not only white people, now go come feel repair that country called Nigeria. All this leader where they eat our money, they don't destroy everything. See country, how many years our country be? You know they go front. You know even go back, and I don't know where it go safe. Because the time we dey before, now it better pass now where they now. The time wey dey before na better pass. Later we go say Africa is a giant of Africa. Nigeria is a giant of Africa. Which kind Nigeria is a giant of Africa? See Ghana wey near am. Ghana near Nigeria for them. They get flight. Nigeria no get. Road no good, water no dey, nothing, no food to eat. See Ghana don leave us. E don comot tey. Our people now they run from Nigeria, they go Ghana. Before we drive Ghana people make them comot. Now Ghana they come they drive us make we comot. Can you imagine? Person wan just talk truth, they will just close the mouth. Una don see the video, una don hear am, because the thing pay me. E pay me. Because this man, he no get wetin he do there, because he wan talk the truth. They no want make he talk. They will say, who send you make you talk? Then they won't Showore. When I lis ten to the mother of Showore, because the thing they pay me. They pay me. One person come and say, I want make my country better. I want make my country be like Europe, because our country, e get money pass some Europe country for this side. But see how then they live. See how then they live. See our own Nigeria. Oyibo no dey say they wan go do holiday for Nigeria. They no dey go. Then they go other Africa country. Because if they reach there, the something good, they go run comot. They go run comot. Citizen, Nigeria citizen, they no dey give them respect. If you just talk, say you be Nigeria, no respect for you. No respect. Who cause am? Na our leader. Na our leader cause am. If you get that passport, you just hold am for hand. You know, not only Nigeria, not even that Nigeria, now go carry you go. Where I want carry you go Africa country. No, if you carry you go another place, if you just hold am, they'll just they look you one kind. With that passport, Nigeria, that makes some people they go there. God, that beg. Wanna listen to Mama Showore, because all these things is getting out of hand.
SSS, dear Buhari, sending you this message. As a mother, I am a woman. Your mother is a dear SSS, dear Buhari, I am Yeli Showore mother. I am sending you this message. As a mother, I am a woman. Your mother is a woman. Your wife is a woman also. This is December, and Yeli has been taken away since August. He always comes to me in the village every December, but you have been holding him. I am a widow. My son has always been like that. He speaks against injustice. and stands up against it. He doesn't run away. He faces his case. Please release him and let him face his case in court. I know him. He can't run away because he knows he has not committed crime. You are a Muslim. I plead in the name of Allah. Leave my son. Release him. I call on all mothers to speak out. Let's join voice for the sake of future of our children. Omoyele is only asking for a better Nigeria so that all our children can have good future. My mind is disturbed that he has not been allowed to go for medical care since August. Alhaji Bichi Yusuf, please obey the law. Since you have gone to court, release Omoyele Sowore now. Since I gave birth to him, he always speaks against evil, even in the village. Before he went to school in Lagos, he has always been like that. He is not a criminal. Release Sowore now. Please, release my son. Because you have your own son. You take care of your son. Let me take care of my children. I am a widow. Release my son. I cannot eat. I cannot sleep. And it's affecting my health. Please, release Omoyele Sowore, my son. He's not a criminal. Omoyele is not a criminal. Leave him. Leave Omoyele. He's not a criminal.
My brothers and sisters, that was Mama Sowore. The thing pain me, the thing touch me because that country, we'll say democracy. Is Nigeria really a country of democracy? I don't believe, because if you want to talk, before you say, may you open your mouth, they don't put you inside. So my brothers and sisters, not just let you one because many people don't see the video. So what is Sowore do? Buhari, leave Sowore alone. We all know where everything they go. We don't know. We don't know because thank God say social media still there. So thank God for everything. We don't know. We don't know where everything they go. Person no fit talk. If you say you want to tell the truth, they'll say, who be you? They'll just lock you for inside because now then they talk. I greet everybody from Untouchable Mama. Remember